Hey everyone, it's me, Shay the Natural, coming to you today with another hair color tutorial. If you're interested in seeing how I got this beautiful plum color using Kiss Colors, then stay tuned. Originally, I tried to do the watercolor method. The color did deposit into the hair, however, it did not get as deep and rich as I originally planned. So I went in with my go-to method. So here I'm just submerging the hair into the water and the color. And I'm just going to let that soak for a few seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull that on out. Now, right now, the color looks really beautiful, really deep. But once I rinsed it out the hair, it did not look that way at all. You'll see. So this is what it looks like after I blow dried the hair. Not deep at all. So what I'm going to do is go in with the Kiss Colors. I used 2 bottles of the Real Purple and half a bottle of the Cherry Cola color. So what I did was go ahead, first I put 1 bottle into my color bowl and then 1/4 of the Cherry Cola color into the color bowl. Then I went ahead and went on in. So as you can see, if you watch any of my other hair color videos, you see that I use a couple of methods. One where the bundle is still all together, and this one I used a different method, and I just went ahead and stretched a long piece of foil across a couple of tray tables, and I had the weft doubled but not rolled up. This helps me go ahead and get the color in a lot quicker and make sure that the color is that I can saturate the hair in the color. Let me put it like that. So I'm going ahead and going in with my first roll of color. You can work from the bottom to the top to the bottom, whichever you like. Just make sure you get the hair coated in this beautiful color. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow, subscribe, share with friends. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and the other half of the weft I'm just folding over, and I had a few plastic strands that were woven into my bundles, which I didn't mind because it was right on the end, so I could pull them off. Now I'm going ahead and saturating the rest of the hair in the color. So you really want to make sure that you get all of the hair covered evenly and nice and saturated, where it's nice and kind of soppy wet. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it all in the left area, and I'm just rolling it on up, making sure that it's nice and tight at the top, so when I go and comb it like I am now, my wefts aren't getting all tangled up into my comb. This helps me make sure that the color is every last little strand of hair. So I'm just coming through, rolling it, and making sure that everything is nice and coated. And when you comb it down like this, you can just rub the color that's onto your comb right back into the hair. So you don't have to worry about wasting any color, but you just want to make sure that it gets through to every little strand. I just love the way color looks on hair when it's wet. It just looks so pretty. Now I'm going to put it in my nice little Ziploc bag here. And you can let it sit overnight. The longer you let it sit, the more the hair stops it on up. And this is my closure. So I did this off camera. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial of how I color my closures without getting it onto the lace, then just go ahead, thumbs up, and like this video. As you can see, I have my hair just marinating in that color. And this is our results, ladies. It's a beautiful color. Once again, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.